Hello, this is Judy Handmade Creation, and this is part 2 of the card that I made. Now I'm going to make this into a shaker card, and I'm going to add some sequins to it. I'm going to be using the photo sleeve fuse tool. It's a Project Life, and I got this at Michael's. And it came with this ruler, and this little stand, and this fuse tool. And it came with another thing that goes on the end right here. I guess I use any kind of plastic. I use this kind of plastic here, and I got this at Walmart. This was a pack for I think $6 and some change. This is a cool tool if you like to make keepsakes and like to put plastic around your keepsakes. What I do is I insert this through here in the plastic. And then I take the roller. You gotta let this heat up for about 10 minutes. Then I take the roller, and what it does is it melts the side and makes it, seals it in. I think I'll use the other side. And then you just take the tool and press in there. Let me see if it works. And what it does is it seals, it makes a seal in there. And then you go to the other side. And seal this side, put even pressure on it. Just roll it on out to get to the end. And then what I do is I add these sequins in here. All in the bag. Add some sequins to make it into a shaker card. I'm going to add a little bit more. I got these from the dollar store. The Dollar Tree store. Maybe add a few more. And then you take your fuse tool and you fuse the bottom. I like using the back of it. Let's see. Maybe I can use the front. And I just make it pretty even. And I take the tool. This is hot. You have to plug it in. And you just run this across. And it melts the plastic. It makes it look like it's been sewn. You gotta put it on its little stand there. Oh, that one, that works so good. Let me redo it over on it. I didn't hold it. Go long. Let's run it again. Maybe I need to go slower. And just run it across. And make sure it seals so it doesn't come undone. Oh, that worked pretty good. Oh, we went too fast with that one. And then what I do is I take my scissors and just cut out around. Don't cut too close to it because you'll cut where it's sealed open. And then you lose all your sequence. And there's your little shaker card. That can be a little keepsake. Or you can use it on a project. Use it on a card. Now how cute is that? And here are some other ones that I made. I made this one with Mary. Jesus' mother. And then I used the So Easy piercing tool to pierce holes. And then I sewn around it with the needle. And this is Jesus. And I did the same. I used the Easy Sew piercing tool and I sewn around the edges with some yarn. And I put some sequins in there. And then I had to make a Christmas one. This one I didn't go too good. The sticker is coming undone. And I put some sequins in there, but they're not moving around too much. And this is the Project Life. Project Life photo sleeve fuse tool. and I got it at Michael's. It was at Michael's. It was on clearance, and I paid $11.97 for it. You can even make bookmarks with these. If you go to the beach and you want to put sand, get sand and put it on one of your layouts, you can put sand in here and put it on your layout and write about what beach you got it from. That's a good idea. I love all these. I love Jesus, and I love the Mary one. And the Christmas one. Make sure you watch part 1 to this, because that shows you how to use the So Easy piercing tool and how I sewn around the edges. These are so fun to make, and I like it because you can put it in this plastic. You can use any kind of plastic. You can use the graphics plastic that they got at Michael's. You can use these. I get the heavy duty sheets, the protector sheets for your. This goes in a notebook, but I get the heavy duty ones at Walmart, because them other ones are too flimsy and they're not. You can't see through them. And then I can use this for another project. I got a piece left. Fun thing to make, and it's a fun tool to have. You can make a lot of keepsakes with it. Say if you want to keep, if the baby gets his or her first haircut, you can take and seal their hair in there, write about when they got it done, put it on a page layout. You can do anything with this tool. Thank you so much for watching, and have a blessed day. Bye bye. See you on the next video.